I am digital certified meteorologist Irene, and lots of heat and lots of sunshine across Central Florida, not only for today, but also for the rest of this work week into the weekend and even for the beginning of next week. So expect plenty of sunshine for today, mostly clear skies for tonight, and the low temperatures tonight will be falling only to the mid 60s. So even during the evenings, we're still expecting temperatures above average for this time of the year. Most of the area will remain between 62 and 65 degrees, northern zone, so that's where we can expect the temperatures to stay into the upper 50s. Now, for this Wednesday afternoon, check out how the temperatures slowly start to creep up into the mid 80s. Now, the coast will remain with temperatures overall slightly cooler into the upper 70s, and we will continue with that high risk for rip currents across our local beaches, so make sure to exercise caution. This week is not going to be the right week to go out swimming, and this is bad news for the people that are already celebrating spring break. Now, over the surface, what's going to happen? Well, the shower activity will become even more limited across Central Florida. Why? We have this high pressure system that is just holding on tight, and we can expect the sinking air to not only happen in the upper levels of the atmosphere, but air will be relatively calm even along the surface. So we're not having lots of moisture influx across the area. This is dealing, of course, with moisture coming in from the Atlantic that could develop those showers and thunderstorms. So we're still expecting mostly sunny skies for the rest of the week and even into the weekend. In the middle levels of the atmosphere, that's when we have this high pressure system, this big dome that will continue to bring sinking air. Sinking air warms as it sinks, and of course, the heat will continue to build across our area. Check out how the temperatures will continue to rise. By Sunday, we could be approaching 90 degrees, and the lows will remain relatively uniform or the same for the rest of the week into the low to mid 60s. So get ready for some heat, get ready for some humidity, and of course, stay hydrated and dress accordingly. Stay tuned for more.